What's up, skincare lovers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm so glad you clicked on this one because today we're keeping it short, honest, and super real. We're talking about CeraVe, the brand that went from quiet dermatologist favorite to viral TikTok sensation. And instead of reviewing their entire lineup, I'm cutting straight to the truth. One CeraVe product that's totally worth your money and one that I honestly think you should skip. Let's start with the good one because I love ending videos on a positive note, but today we're doing it backwards. I'm starting with the winner. So my pick for the best CeraVe product, hands down, is the Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. I know, it doesn't sound exciting. It's literally a cleanser, but this product is such an underrated gem. Here's why I love it. It's that perfect middle ground cleanser that works for almost everyone. Dry skin, oily skin, combo skin, it just gets it right. It starts as a creamy texture, then transforms into a soft, airy foam that removes makeup, sunscreen, and dirt without making your skin feel tight or stripped. It's got amino acids, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid, which means it cleans while protecting your skin barrier. I use it in the morning when I want a gentle refresh and at night when I need to double cleanse after a long day. And every single time, my skin feels clean but still hydrated. That's rare. The texture is smooth, it rinses off easily, and it doesn't leave that weird film some hydrating cleansers do. It just feels balanced, like your skin's been reset. If your routine has been feeling harsh lately, maybe you're using actives like retinol or exfoliants, this cleanser is going to be your best friend. It's reliable, affordable, and it actually does what it claims. All right, now let's talk about the one I don't recommend. And if you've used it, you might already know what I'm going to say, the CeraVe Vitamin C Serum. I wanted to love this, I really did. On paper, it sounds like a solid formula. 10% pure L-ascorbic acid, ceramides, hyaluronic acid, everything you'd expect from a decent brightening serum. But the problem isn't the ingredients, it's the execution. First of all, it oxidizes ridiculously fast. Like, you open the tube and within a few weeks, it's already turning orange. And once that happens, it's basically useless. Oxidized vitamin C doesn't brighten your skin, it can actually irritate it. Plus, it stains. If you've ever gotten it on your fingers or your sink, you know the struggle. It'll leave little orange marks that are impossible to get off. And don't even get me started on the packaging. The tube leaks, the texture feels sticky, and when it dries down, it leaves this weird, tacky layer that doesn't play well with moisturizer or sunscreen. If you're new to vitamin C, this might turn you off completely, which is a shame because vitamin C is amazing when done right. So here's my honest advice. Skip this one. There are way better vitamin C options at the drugstore right now that are more stable, smoother, and easier to use. To sum it up, the Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser, total winner. It's gentle, effective, and just makes your skin feel right. The Vitamin C Serum, big miss. Messy, unstable, and not worth the headache. And that's really what CeraVe is all about, simplicity. When they nail it, they really nail it. When they miss, they really miss. All right, skincare fam, that's my honest two-product breakdown. One CeraVe must-have, one CeraVe skip. If you've tried either of these, let me know in the comments what your experience was. Did you love them, hate them, totally disagree with me? I want to hear it all. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this quick, no-fluff review, subscribe for more real skincare talk, and as always, keep your skin happy, hydrated, and protected. See you in the next one!